Bella the bunny with red bow on top of her head hops by the river. Splish, splash! She hears a tiny sound. Peep, peep, what is that? A little duckling is all alone by the water. Peep, peep. "Where is your family?" asks Bella. The duckling peeps sadly. "I will help you find them," says Bella. "Come with me." They look in the garden. No ducks. They look by the trees. No ducks. Ollie the owl with purple scarf and round glasses helps look too. Where could they be? Dotty the puppy with green collar and Coco the cat with pink bow at her neck come to help. Peep, peep, we hear it. Peep, peep, a duck family calls from the river. We found them! The duckling runs to its mama. Quack, quack, happy duck! Bella waves goodbye. Bye, little friend. Come visit again. That night, Bella snuggles in her cozy bed. What a good day! Friends help friends. Who can you help today?